Alright guys, welcome back, and today's video I'll actually be washing the Jeep with the Chemical Guys wash kit. So I just happened to see it was available on AutoZone for like 50 some bucks or so. I figured, hey, let's try it out. But now I want to put more effort into my car washes, especially in figuring out how to clean the tires and wheels. That's been a big one recently, especially with the Jeep. Since you're off-roading and whatnot, you're always in dirt and grime, so that builds up and gunks up the Jeep wheels, and it's just hard to clean. Yep. In any case, let's see how this bucket kit does and if it's worth to get and whatnot. That's not even accounting for the inside. It is a mess with all this dog hair, right, Moo? So I probably won't do a video on that. There's just so much work, right, Mamas? Alright, y'all, let's get to it. Alright gang, so I just finished giving the Jeep a complete wash with the Chemical Guys wash kit, and safe to say I'm quite pleased, especially with the wheels, since that was a big like focus. And also wanted to point out that the wash also smells really good. In any case, that wraps it up for this video, guys. Let me know if there's other products you'd like for me to try out. I just thought this was a nice like kit, like one-stop shop buy, and you have something that covers a whole vehicle, which is nice. Debating looking and getting the Chemical Guys little foam gun, because the one I used for this video was my brother's. Let me know if you guys want to see a review on that, and as always, stay tuned for more, guys, and stay wild. Who peed on the tire? Huh?